A cockroach can live for a week without its head. Let that sit for a second. No skull, no brain, no face. Just a tiny body walking around, vibing. Meanwhile, you stub your toe and consider writing a will. So here's the question. What if you had a cockroach's survival kit? Picture your morning. You're late. You spill coffee. You trip. Normally, ouch. Now, imagine the cockroach version of you. You don't need your head to breathe. Cockroaches breathe through tiny holes called spiracles, dotted along their body like little nostrils on their ribs. No mouth required. No brain required. You could lose your head and still make it to the bus stop. The only reason a headless roach eventually dies after about a week is thirst. It has no mouth to drink with. So technically, you'd survive a beheading. You just really want a juice box. Now scale it up. Someone runs you over. A cockroach can take 900 times its body weight without injury. Its exoskeleton flattens, springs back, and it keeps walking. That's a UC Berkeley study, real data. So in this version of you, a car rolls over your chest, and you pop back up like a stress ball. Slightly annoyed. Mildly inconvenienced. Then comes the big one. Nuclear war. Cockroaches handle radiation roughly 6 to 15 times better than humans. The reason is beautifully simple. Radiation hurts cells most when they're dividing, and cockroach cells divide slowly. Human gut and bone marrow cells split constantly, which is exactly why radiation poisoning destroys us first. In a radioactive wasteland, you'd be patching Wi-Fi while everyone else melts. So, picture it. Headless, unsquashable, radiation-proof you. Sounds invincible. Here's the twist. You'd still die first in an actual nuclear blast. Because the bomb doesn't kill you with radiation. It kills you with heat. Ground zero burns hotter than the surface of the sun. Cockroaches survive nuclear tests for one reason, and it isn't toughness. It's that they're tiny. Small things cool fast and hide in cracks. You're a giant, slow-cooking water balloon. The cockroach doesn't win because it's strong. It wins because nobody notices it. It survives by being too small to matter, until suddenly it's the only thing left. Maybe that's why, this week, millions of people picked a cockroach as their symbol. The thing you ignore is the thing that outlives you.